Hello friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering Mastery. Today, instead of technical topic, we are going to discuss about the Union Budget 2020 highlights in construction industry. I know you all are eagerly waiting to know about the budget 2020 in construction industry. So let's hope this budget 2020 is going to be the great boom in construction industry. So friends, first let me start with what is Union Budget of India. It is referred as the annual financial statement of India, and also we can say it is the annual budget of India. Usually the government present the budget in the month of February every year so that it could be materialized before the beginning of new financial year in April. So friends, finally the day has come for the Union Budget 2020. The Union Budget of India for 2020 to 2021 will be presented by the Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman on 1st February 2020. So friends, in this video we are going to look into the major highlights about the Union Budget in construction industry. The major sectors are infrastructure sector, realty sector and cement sector. So please keep watching to know more interesting details about the Union Budget in construction industry. Absolutely, it would be a tight rope walk for the government, which has to maintain a fine balance between the industry demands, people demand from the common man, and along with that, they have to achieve their own target of government revenues. Hope this budget 2020 is expected to be a fine balance between the industrial expectations and government fiscal policies. The first sector which we are going to discuss here is the infrastructure sector, which is National Infrastructure Pipeline. In short, we can say it as NIP. The Indian government mainly focused on the infrastructure sector for the next 5 years to achieve the GDP of $5 trillion by the year 2024 to 2025. So to achieve this objective, India needs to spend about $1.4 trillion, that is worth of rupees 100 lakh crore over these years on infrastructure. Recently, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman made a brief statement on the content of the National Infrastructure Pipeline, which says that the total project capital expenditure in infrastructure sectors in India during the year 2020 to 2025 is over rupees 102 lakh crore. So they divided this 102 lakh crore into different sectors that let's see in the graph. So friends, from the graph you can come to know that the four major sector which is going to consume the 70% of the projected capital expenditure. So they are energy sector, road, urban and railways. So energy sector is 24%, road is 19%, urban is 16% and railways 13%. So friends, here is the detailed sector-wise breakup for the National Infrastructure Pipeline. These are all the major sectors and the amount to be invested in crores. So the total projected amount is 102.44 lakh crore. Such a huge amount, right? So hope we can expect rapid growth development in infrastructure industry in the upcoming years. The next sector which we are going to discuss here is the realty sector, which is another important sector in the construction industry. The realty sector mainly focused on the objective of housing for all by 2022. So obviously the realty sector expecting the initiative should be taken in the budget in line with the objective of the housing for all by 2022. There are two major expectations from the realty sector. The first one is the 80 IBA scheme time limit should be increased. The second one is ECB, that is external commercial borrowing should be allowed for affordable housing and commercial office spaces. So here what is 80 IBA? 80 IBA is the section under Income Tax Act. It allows for income tax deduction for individuals who gain profit from the business of building and developing housing projects. So as per the section 80 IBA, 100% profit and gains derived from the housing projects are tax deductible. Next one is home loans. The realty players are seeking reduction of interest on home loans. For example, if the individual is buying a home, he is allowed to avail the deduction of interest on home loans. However, the deduction is allowed only on loans sanctioned between April 1st, 2016 and March 31st, 2017. So, the timeline for the loan may be extended to March 31st, 2022. The next sector which we are going to discuss here is the cement sector. India is not only the second largest manufacturer of cement in the world, but also second largest consumer of it. This absolutely makes the sector crucial for the India growth story. The cement sector expecting increase in the budget allocation for infrastructure projects and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is the scheme which is housing for all by 2022. Since the housing for all target by 2022 is coming closer, the growth in the sector is yet to pick up the pace. As the demand in the cement sector increases, the cement industry expecting the growth for the year 2021 to be 6 to 7%, as they are expecting the growth for the year 2020 as 1 to 2%. Also, the cement industry is expecting reduction in custom duty to 5%. At present, custom duty on packaging for use in bagging cement is 10%. This will help the cement companies benefit from lower packaging cost. So friends, as I told you before, let's hope for the great boom in the construction industry according to the Union Budget 2020. Let's wait and watch whether the industrial demands are meeting in the Budget 2020. Thank you for watching.